Hi everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for 3rd of November, and today I'm gonna update you about SHIB. Now SHIB is looking very bad, okay? It's still trapped in this descending triangle that I just made for you, and for those people who don't know about the channel, okay, a lot of people ask me in the comments what's the name of the channel, okay? Just go to YouTube, type in Adam Coins if you want to search, okay? And you're gonna find all these amazing contents and videos that I'm uploading, yeah. So looking at SHIB right now, looking at SHIB, basically I don't want to say SHIB is trapped in this descending triangle that we've been making, okay. Yesterday I did put a small position, okay. I did put a small position, and the stop loss was being taken out, okay. The stop loss was taken out. Do you see that? Because on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to shift on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to show you that descending triangle, okay. And this is a precursor that we might even break out of the larger descending triangle. I'm going to hide the EMAs just a little bit here. I'm going to zoom in and look at this here. We had this descending triangle on the 1 hour time frame. Do you see that? Boom, 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 something like that, okay. And I told you that whenever you have a descending triangle, because we're moving zigzag up and down, boom, 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 find resistance and support there. We had a fake out. This retest was never successful. We went even down, okay. This was a fake out, huge fake out, one of the best fake outs in the world, okay. I do believe that. And yeah, look, the next retest never bounced off the support. We actually went and we got back trapped into the triangle, okay. Now I did put a stop loss in here at 6765, and I told you if you start losing this level, that's it. SHIB is gonna go even more down, and I told you SHIB is doing exactly the same. It's just losing this level and it's back testing, and it's losing momentum to move towards the upside, okay. If you watched yesterday's video, I'm gonna show you yesterday's video as well, so that I can prove this to you. Yeah, and this is the clip that I want to show you from yesterday.
Do you see that? I mean, all in all, if you start losing this line right here, which is the 6765, then that's an indicator that you're likely to go even more down. Okay, now this was a small time frame to tell you what can happen in a larger time frame. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna draw a line right there, a point of resistance like this. Okay, because we're making some sort of, do you see that we have a touch there, out of this place, and wherever you break out, you go back to where you formed that triangle. Now, these are some few scenarios you have to look after. Okay, now taking a trade looks safe.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I told you, yeah, exactly. If you start losing this area, then that's it for me. And SHIB right now, yeah, it was a 4% loss, but I'm not bothered, okay. I even said yesterday very clearly that I'm not gonna take huge positions because it's not confirmed what's gonna happen, okay. It wasn't confirmed, and it's like I put 100 and I lost 4 out of that 100, okay. I put a stop loss at 6765. Do you see that? And I've never went to 6587, otherwise I would have been in a 6 to 10% loss. Now for me, SHIB right now, I do think the next scenario that's going to play out, it's going to come down to this level, which is the 6203. Now what I want to tell you, something very important. Sometimes when you see the smaller time frame act as a very big indicator, you know, precursor to what can happen in a larger time frame. Now you see in this descending triangle like that, what happened with SHIB is that it went down, okay. It came back for a fake out, and as well it still continues towards the downside, okay. The problem here is that I do think it's gonna do the same particular scenario for the larger descending wedge, which is on the 4 hour time frame, which is a larger descending wedge right now. This one here, this larger descending wedge, okay. So the smaller one is like giving us a peek to the future of what can happen. So you see, it broke down, and this one can very well break down. Do you see that? And I do think that because I do believe this, I've seen this so many times in crypto. I've seen this so many times in crypto. And there's a specific rule that I always say. You always sell the green candles, okay, and you wait for the red candles to buy. And I do think that SHIB is not gonna break it. It's not gonna make it toward the upside. And I said yesterday, it's in a point of a make it or break it point. And I do have a strong semantic analysis, okay. It's just a logical analytics right now, okay? And I do think SHIB is gonna start breaking towards the downside. Now for me personally, it's looking bad, okay? I cannot say it's looking good. It is undecisive. It is undecisive. It is in a place where it's just trapped in here. We have to wait, sit on the sidelines here, and watch every single day for the next. Now I'm gonna tell you the date. Until 7th of November, 4 days from now, okay, 4 days from now, the apex is here. The apex is there, and the decision coming until 7th of November, the maximum time that you can wait. Why do I say this? Any time on any given, it could be tomorrow, it could be today. You could break down or you could break towards the upside. If you break up just like you did here, wait for the retest, bounce off the retest, we're gonna keep moving towards the upside, okay? And if you break down as well, okay, let the retest fail, then you're gonna move towards the upside. Otherwise, this could be a fake out if you break down and you can move to the upside. Just as you break out out and you came down, you can do the same thing, break down and move towards the upside. So you have to wait for things. Don't take any trades. I'm gonna say close your trades. Do not take any trades. The bullish scenario for me, once again, and I said this in so many videos as well, okay, and I'm gonna keep repeating this. The bullish scenario for me for SHIB, I'm gonna take the top here to the bottom there, and the day that I see that the breakout happens and you backtest the breakout and you also backtest the 0.618, which is the 7583, okay, I'm gonna drop a horizontal line right there. The day that you're actually gonna climb up here, hold this zero golden ratio as a boss, that's the time I'm gonna tell you that, hey, SHIB is gonna go to 0.11,000 here. But unless I don't see that, we also have another chance to go towards the downside here. And now the chance of going to the downside, based on this 1 hour descending triangle, I do think there's a 70% we are gonna go towards the downside. Not a financial advice, but be careful, don't take any trades. And yeah, thank you so much. That's it for today's SHIB update. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.